One spin, one goal, and a whole lot of fun. This upstairs game room, bedroom, and full bathroom, total win. The open concept kitchen flows right into the living room, which is great for entertaining. Total game changer. This formal dining space is great for hosting your family and friends. Always a crowd pleaser. This primary suite is next level. Big time bonus, additional bedroom and full bath downstairs. If it's your goal to score a house like this, give me a call for a private tour.